Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're back with another Tech Tuesday. Again, make sure you do like and subscribe to these Tech Tuesdays, so that way you'll get a notification to any of the videos that you're looking for in particular to help you out in regards to either video editing, printing, whatever it may be. But we're back with a CR6 Max 3D printing helpful tips here in regards to the little filament feed topper here on top of your heater motor and the elements within there. So basically we're going to talk about we had some questions about the tube going down through in here and about some of the other extensions, some of the upgrades, and or if you get some balled up issues with the filament, what you need to do. So we wanted to show you in that regards, there's just like anything else for the 3D printers, you can get these in bulk, and you know, we got probably 10 of these for only, I think it was like $7. And these are just your basically your steel little screw in bolt area where the filament goes down through, and I have a piece of filament here, and as you see, it'll just go down through in there. Now of course, you'll have your protective tube that goes down in there, and then you'll have your little clip that'll clip on to make sure that this doesn't move all over. But we'll talk about that in other videos. But this is just to give you an idea of, you know, I would say, I guess, the replacements that you can use. Now you don't have to. I mean, there's upgrades that make it, you know, give you extenders. They really don't honestly make too much of a difference, we feel. I mean, if there's something you guys out there see that they do make a difference, let us know. But these are some of the bulk ones we wanted to show you that you can get fairly inexpensive to replace, especially when the filament goes down into this hole and just balls up, or you have dust, debris, or you're just wanting to maintain your printer and replace these. So this is just one here, and as you see in the picture, this is a black one with the clip that we were talking about. This is the stock black one. This is an aftermarket silver one with the actually has a 6-point basically pattern, so that way you can take your wrench, take it off. Now this one here, it only has two-part pattern for your wrench, so you have to be careful when you're removing these. But we'll talk about we'll talk about that in other videos when you're removing these and how to be careful and what to use. But in this video, we just wanted to show you that there are many different types of these, but the best one to use is pretty much the aftermarket, fairly inexpensive ones. The best way to go, instead of spending, you know, $7, $8 on one individually to upgrade to make them longer or extended. It just doesn't do you any beneficial in the end that we see. So we hope this video helps, and we'll see you on the next one.